In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record an expense in Freshbooks. Managing your expenses efficiently is not just about keeping track of how much you're spending, but it's also about ensuring that your business accounts are up to date and accurate. Using Freshbooks makes this process smooth and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, from your main menu or dashboard, navigate to the Expenses section. This is where you'll track all the spending associated with your business. Once you're in this section, you'll want to move on to creating a new expense. Look for a button labeled Plus New Expense and click on it. This action will open up a new form for you to complete. After clicking on Plus New Expense, you'll see an option to manually create the expense details. Choose this option so you can enter the information yourself. This manual input is crucial for maintaining the integrity and accuracy of your records. Now let's dive into the specific details required for your expense entry. Start with the category field. Here, you have the flexibility to either select an existing category that suits your expense, or you can create a new one if it doesn't fit any existing options. This categorization is vital for organizing and analyzing your expenses. Next, enter the merchant's name. This is the name of the vendor or service provider with whom you made the transaction. Then, move on to the date. Make sure to select the exact date when the expense occurred, as this maintains chronological accuracy. Following the date, you'll need to enter the amount. Input the total cost of the transaction. It's important to be precise here to ensure that all your financial data remains correct. Additionally, there's a description or notes field. Here, you can add any relevant details or notes that will help clarify the nature of the transaction in the future. Photos or digital copies of receipts can be essential in bookkeeping. To attach one to your expense, click on the paperclip icon or leverage the drag and drop feature if your system allows it. This ensures you have all necessary documentation stored in one place. For expenses that need to be billed to a client later, remember to mark the transaction as billable. This feature is particularly useful for service-oriented businesses or projects. Furthermore, if the expense is specific to a certain client or project, assign it accordingly. This linking provides better tracking of costs associated with specific initiatives or clients. If you anticipate the expense will recur, Freshbooks allows you to set it up as a recurring expense. This automation saves you time and ensures that regular expenses are always accounted for. Finally, once everything is filled out and double-checked for accuracy, click on Save or Create Expense. This action will record the expense in the system, completing the process. And that's it. Recording expenses in Freshbooks can streamline your financial management, giving you peace of mind and more time to focus on growing your business. Remember to review your entries regularly for any changes in your company's finances.